In today's video, we're going to learn how to create Reels on Facebook. Reels are the short form video content similar to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. You can easily create Reels on your profile on Facebook, so let's head over to Facebook first. Now you can tap open your profile, and right below your name you can see an option of create Reel. Tap on that. Now choose any photo or video that you want to upload. For now I'm going to choose this one. After you choose a picture or a video, here you can see all of the different options you can do. You can add an audio to your reel, you can add in text, effects, and many more other things. Now after you do that, you can tap on next. You can also add in captions to this reel. And on the bottom you can see where you can post the reel. If you tap on this public option, here you can choose among public, friends, and accept friends. If you tap on that, you can remove any of the friends from seeing the reel. You can also share it directly on Instagram if you tap on that. And if your Instagram account is connected with your Facebook, you'll have an option to share it to the Instagram. So on both of the platforms, the reels will be shared. Now you can simply tap on share reel. After the reel has been posted, you can view it from the reels section right here. You'll see option of post and reels. You can tap on reels, and there you can see the reel that you just posted. If you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.